You know the craziest thing about electric planes? Silence. No more noisy jet engines that scream through the sky. You can even live right next to the airports. This is just one of the present-day problems that electric aviation could solve. Believe it or not, the technology propelling most airplanes today hasn't changed much since the 1950s. Nearly all aircraft today use jet engines, and here's how they work in simple terms. They compress air, mix it with fuel, and then ignite the mixture. This combustion produces high-pressure gases that generate thrust, propelling the airplane forward. While this method has kept us flying for decades, it is becoming clear that it is not sustainable. First off, jet engines aren't very energy efficient. They consume vast amounts of fuel to produce the necessary thrust, but a significant portion of that energy is lost as heat. This inefficiency not only leads to higher operational costs, but also means we're burning more fuel than we ideally should. Jet engines emit large amounts of carbon dioxide and other pollutants, thereby harming the environment. For instance, in emergencies, planes may dump fuel to reduce weight for safe landings, often over oceans, thereby polluting waterways, damaging marine life, disrupting ecosystems, and impacting coastal communities. Additionally, jet engines have many intricate components like fans, compressors, and turbines, which require regular inspection and repair. As these parts wear down over time, the risk of mechanical failure rises, increasing the likelihood of crashes. With all these challenges, we're left asking, is there a better way to power our planes? Instead of burning jet fuel, electric planes use lithium-ion batteries to power electric motors. Think of it like charging your phone, your computer, or your electric car. Similarly, electric planes can be charged using renewable energy sources like solar or wind. This is how electric motors work on an aircraft. Unlike jet engines that burn fuel to create thrust, electric motors convert electrical energy directly into mechanical motion using the principles of electromagnetism. Simply put, electromagnetism is a relationship between electricity and magnetism. In an electric motor, this effect is harnessed to produce motion. Electric current flows through coils of wire inside the motor, generating magnetic fields due to the interaction with the magnets within the motor. This interaction causes the motor's rotor to spin. One advantage of this is that electric motors convert over 90% of the electrical energy into useful work. Since they have fewer moving parts than jet engines, upkeep of electric planes is more straightforward, leading to a lesser likelihood of dangerous situations. Did you know that electric planes make significantly less noise? Here is a comparison between the sound inside a traditional jet engine plane versus an electric plane. Without a combustion engine, there are no engine rumbles, making it a more peaceful flight. You might be wondering, if electric planes have so many advantages, why aren't they everywhere already? The main hurdle is battery technology. While batteries have improved over the years, they still can't match the energy density of jet fuel. Batteries are heavy, and in aviation, weight is a critical factor. In some electric planes, batteries can account for nearly half of the aircraft's weight. Take the case of the Pipistrel Velis Electro, a leading electric plane. It takes 50 minutes to fully charge it, but it only lasts 50 minutes in the air. As a result, most current electric planes are only suitable for regional flights, short commuter routes, local deliveries, and pilot training. Despite battery challenges, progress is still being made. Companies such as Ampere and Zero Avia are working on hybrid electric aircraft to meet the demands of longer routes. This approach can serve as a transitional technology, bridging the gap until battery advancements allow for fully electric long-distance flights. The hybrid concept is also being used in military applications for armored vehicles and stealth planes. They are super quiet and have a low heat signature, making them harder for enemies to detect. Nowadays, engineers are designing electric planes to allow for a more elegant and simplified look with minimal drag. Electric planes now have a more compact appearance with smooth, rounded edges. Even the control panel is digital, which gives them a sleek and futuristic look. In contrast, traditional jet planes are bulkier with large, prominent jet engines hanging beneath the wings, giving them a more industrial and rugged appearance.